girl Yella, and I'm back again with another video. Hey, so I just got back from my nail tech, and she snapped on my nails. And so these nails have inspired me to do a blue eyeshadow with a glitter cut crease. So if you are new here, welcome. If you've been here since day one, hey. Alright, but if you want to stay tuned to see this look, you know what some can do, and that's to stay tuned, baby. Alright, so this is what we're finna do. So I'm finna conceal with I'm gonna be, this is loud. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm using the Crayon case. This is what it looks like, or that's the color, but it really looks like this when it has the print on it, and it has another 2, but it looks like this. But I'm gonna be using the number 2 for concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and conceal both my eyes. Alright, so I'm going to be using the matte book, and I'm going to be using Utopia Palette. So out of this palette, I'm going to be using this light blue right here. If you can't see it, I'll be using that one. And then I'm going to be using some blues out of the matte book. I'm going to be using this one and this one. So we're going to go ahead and start with NYX blue. All right. And I want to make this a deep blue, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more of the eyeshadow. Alright, so now both of your eyes should look something like this. So, okay, so then we're gonna go in, oh hell, oh, just kidding. I found a palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the light blue out of this palette. And I'm just gonna go above this blue. And I'm going to blend it out. Okay, we're going to blend it out. We're going to blend it out right after I respond to this text. Just kidding, because I don't want to talk to her. Alright, so we're going to go above, and we're going to go like up here. And I'm just going to blend out the colors. And we're just going to keep blending until we are satisfied with the colors. So we're just going to keep blending and blending and blending. Okay, so now your eye should look something like this blended. Okay, so it should look something like that. All right, now what I'm going to do is take some more concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. But I'm going to cut above my line. I'm going to cut just above it, and you'll see exactly what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and take the same concealer that I used earlier, a flat brush, like this, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, so your cut crease should look something like this. And now we're going to do the same to the other. Alright, so now you should have both of your cut creases together. Now me, what I usually do, you don't have to take this step. You don't have to do this, okay? But when I do a cut crease or whatever and I'm going to use glitter, I'll usually put like kind of sort of the color that I'm going to use down on where I cut the crease at, just so that I can give it a pop. And because you see like how the cut crease is blue, but I want to use like an iridescent glitter, so I'm going to just go ahead and just go over the cut creases. I'm not like gonna pat it down. I'm just gonna boom 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 pow, put the white eyeshadow on, and then I'm going to apply the glitter glue, and then I'm going to apply the glitter. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and use another brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use one like this and apply the white. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this white right here to the cut creased area. So this is the glitter that I'm going to be using. I've already like twisted off the rest of it, but it looks kind of like, I don't know if you can really see it like that. If I spill this glitter, y'all, trying to show y'all, I'll be PO. So let's not do that. All right, so I'm going to use NYX primer glitter, and I'm going to use a similar brush that we just used to apply the white with the glitter. Okay, and then I'm just going to wipe it off. And then I'm just going to dip the same brush in the glitter. And I'm going to do one eye at a time. It's just easier to do it that way. So then your eyes should look something like this. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look after the lashes, contour, highlight. Everything has been added to the look. And this is what we have. So if you like this look, don't forget to comment below. Tell me what you think. If you want to see some more colors and or combinations, comment them below and I'll make sure to get them posted for you guys. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this look. Till next time. Toward the floor, I want your hands where your toes be.